When you upgrade your Wi-Fi to Eero, something amazing happens. Everything just works, letting you connect with what's important. That's why we made Eero, the world's best reviewed home Wi-Fi system. Eeros replace your router, forming a wireless mesh network that blankets your home in fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Eero is simple to set up and can expand to cover any home, meaning all your connected devices work the way you want them to, wherever you want them to.
Yep, still at the office. No, I'm at the other break.
With Eero, you'll have no more dead spots, slow spots, drop-offs, or buffering. It's Wi-Fi so good, you'll never think about Wi-Fi again.